Ricky, and welcome to today's edition of the Mouse Bites. Now, the Mouse Bites are your latest Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Disney Cruise Line, and Universal Orlando news. And today I have exciting news for those of you who like to participate in the mobile ordering option at Walt Disney World. So even more Walt Disney World Resort Hotel quick service restaurants are now offering the mobile order option. This tool is available at Captain Cook's at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort, the Artist Palette at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort, Landscape of Flavors at Disney's Art of Animation Resort, the Riverside Mill Food Court at Disney's Port Orleans Resort Riverside, and Gasparilla Island Grill at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. Now, as a reminder, mobile order is also available at Everything Pop at Disney's Pop Century Resort, the Mara at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, the Contempo Cafe at Disney's Contemporary Resort, and Centertown Market at Disney's Caribbean Beach, as well as Sassagoula Floatworks and Food Factory at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter, the World Premiere Food Court, the End Zone Food Court, and the Intermission Food Court at Disney's All-Star Resorts. So to use mobile order, it's very simple. You just go to the My Disney Experience app, click on the restaurant you want to dine at, and choose Order Food. Once you have your items selected, you'll review the order and pay. After paying, you will then click the I'm here, prepare my order button, and once your food is ready, you'll be then notified via the app that your food is prepared and you can head to a separate marked pickup location. Guests using mobile order can only pay with credit card or debit card and the Disney dining plan. Cash and gift cards are not accepted. And last but not least, we have big news about Halloween treats at the Disney Springs food trucks. So, beginning on October 25th and lasting through October 31st, there will be some great spooky Halloween-inspired treats. So at the Springs Street Taco Truck, there's the adobo chicken adobo nachos, which are blue corn tortilla chips with chicken adobo, toasted pumpkin seeds, dried cranberry, lime crema, and a zesty pumpkin cheese sauce. At the mac and cheese food truck, there's the mac and cheese with pumpkin cheese sauce, toasted pumpkin seeds, dried cranberries, and a gummy cranberry worm. Okay. And then finally, we have what I think sounds the best, which is the Halloween cookie dough waffle taco from the Cookie Dough and Everything Sweet food truck. So this is a pumpkin spice and cold brew cookie dough topped with chocolate sauce, whipped cream, and a chocolate spider. I'm all in on this. Now, the Disney Springs food trucks can be found on the west side across from the Disney's Candy Cauldron. Operating hours for the food trucks do vary, so make sure you check before heading out. That's going to do it for all the news that I have for you today. Make sure you follow along with Mouse for Less on all of our social sites. So you've got Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and also make sure you're subscribed to our newsletter. And otherwise, we're going to see you the next time on the Mouse Bites.